scrub away the little germs. Now your teeth are bright and clean. Yummy fruit and crackers give you energy. And these little helpers keep your smile sparkling. First the front, then the back, and don't forget the top. Great job keeping them sparkly clean. Brushing in the morning and brushing at night keeps your teeth healthy and oh so bright. I brush my teeth both day and night to keep them healthy, strong, and white. Keep brushing your teeth, and we'll see you next time.